Okay, now remember that in my previous video I divided the screen. So now on one side what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Alexia. Okay, I open here a new tab and I write Alexia, I log into Alexia. And as you can see on this side, wait, I'm going to put on this side get epic. Get epic. Getepic.com. No, this is not the. Here, books for kids. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is, now that you are in Alexia, you will see that you have been invited to 2 aulas. Okay? 4th A, this one, 4th A, and 5th A. Alright? And when you log into an aula, you will see the first section that you will arrive, it says Meet Links. Okay? Meet Links. And here you will see that the kids have a timetable of all the week. Alright? And here on Thursdays at 10 o'clock, they have you. You see that it says Meet Reading Susan. And when you click here, you enter the meet. Okay? So, one way, I'm going to log in as you. So, one way to enter the meet is to, as I showed you, to go to, you enter Classroom, and you will see that it's a bit different now. You see, you used to have here the taller with your, you will see your reading, your taller, and now you have been invited to 2 aulas. In Alexia, when you enter an aula, the first thing you see is the timetable. Look at what happens with 5th A. You see, this is the first. I'm going to close this menu so that it's bigger. This is the first section, Meet Links. And again, if I look here, on Thursdays at 11, they have reading with you. If you click here, the Meet will open. Okay? So, as again, I can log in and I'm ready to join. Okay, I'm going to turn off the camera and I'm ready to join. And here I am in the Meet. Okay? Well, I am here in the Meet, the girls are here, okay? And I want to, and I will see all the girls coming in, and I want to share my screen with them. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this link here, and I will write it on the other side of the screen. You see, I add a new tab. I'm going to copy the Meet. So I repeat what I have just done. On this side, I am in the Meet. I have all my girls here. They are learning, okay? And I'm going to copy this link that I have here. I color it blue, Control copy, and then I open a new tab. I will show you again. On the other side, I open a new tab and I put the direction of the Meet. But this time, instead of joining here, I'm not going to join. I'm not going to join here. I'm going to hit Present. And when I click Present, they are going here. They ask me, I'm going to choose a tab, that is one of these pestañas que tengo abierta, which one I want the kids to see. And I'm going to choose the one that says Epic. I click Share, and you will see that I will start sharing this screen. Okay? And as there are no students here, you cannot see anybody, but when you present, you will see your presentation and the kids next to the presentation. And look, on this side of the page, I can move, I can change. Suppose I want to read the newspaper, I read the newspaper, but the kids don't see what I'm saying because I told the computer to only share this tab. If I change the tab, I have here a sign that says you're sharing, get Epic. If you want to share another tab, you click here where it says share this tab instead. Okay? Is it clear? Do you want me to do it again? I'm going to do it again. The whole process. Okay?